guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Riya Chaudhary, BA 1 Week Series, Part 1 History of India. Let's start it. Part 3. Which ancient Indian text is also called Shat Sahasri Samhita? Mahabharat is the ancient Indian text is also called Shat Sahasri Samhita. Write the names of Chinese travelers came to India in ancient period. Fayan, Huangziang, and Itzing were the major Chinese travelers came to India in ancient period. Fayan, Huangziang और एंड इजिंग मेजर चाइनीज ट्रैवलर्स थे जो इंडिया के अंदर आए थे एशियन पीरियड के अंदर एशियन पीरियड में Huang Xiang was a Chinese traveler and writer who came to India during the period of Harshvardhan. He had described each place of India, excluding southern parts, in his book. ये चाइनीज़ ट्रैवलर और राइटर जो इंडिया में आए थे हर्षवर्धन की पीरियड के दौरान. इन्होंने हर प्लेस डिस्क्राइब करी है बस सदर्न पार्ट को छोड़कर अपनी बुक में. इनकी बुक का नाम है CUG. ही स्टेड इन इंडिया अबाउट 15 ईयर्स. 15 साल तक ये इंडिया के अंदर रहे. Describe the importance of Huang Xiang's description of the India's journey from ancient views. Huang Xiang's description of India's journey contains the information of political, social, religious and economic conditions during Harshvardhan's period. Huang Xiang description of India's journey contain करता है information political, social, religious और economic conditions जो भी थी हर्षवर्धन के पीरियड के दौरान. Brief survey of India's prehistoric culture. Which type of weapons were used in the pre-Stone Age? The earliest weapons of the Stone Age were made of stone and the tools were barked and clumsy. जो अर्लीस्ट वेपन्स थे स्टोन एज के अंदर वो स्टोन से बनते थे एंड द टूल्स वर बाग्ड होते थे और क्लमजी होते थे बेकार ठीक ठाक से बस. What was the shape of tools used in mid Stone Age? What are these called? Tools used in mid Stone Age were very smaller in size, that is 0.5 to 0.75 inch. Due to very small size, these are known as micro Stone Age tools or microliths. Write the names of tools used in mid Stone Age and write their uses. Scraper, it was used to scrap the skins. Scraper जो स्किन को स्क्रैप करने के लिए यूज़ होता था. डिस्क, दिस वॉज यूज टू हिट, ये मारने के लिए यूज़ होती थी डिस्क. ब्लेड्स, दिस वर यूज टू मेक एरोज शार्प, जो ब्लेड्स होती थी वो एरोज को शार्प करने के लिए यूज़ होती थी. ल्यूनेट, दिस वॉज यूज टू कट, ये काटने के लिए यूज़ होती थी. रॉक शेल्टर, ranges are cut from many places and their intermediate beams are made with collective influence of rain and wind. Ancient humans built them their naturally built shelter, which are called rock shelters. Describe the importance of Neolithic tools. Neolithic tools are of dark green traps. These tools were smooth and shiny. The whole part is either polished on these tools and the weapons or at least polished at the ends of the top or bottom. What do you understand by Bhimbetka? Among the hills of Vindhyachal, Bhimbetka has the largest reservoir of Kandara paintings. Kandar paintings जो भी है. Name the major centers of Neolithic culture. Tonas River, Belari, Brahmgiri, Burzom, Gufkaral of UP, Assam, Chota Nagpur, Bihar, Allahabad, Mirzapur, etc. ये major centers in Neolithic culture के. That's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Like or share the video or subscribe my channel. Thank you.